How to log into KakaoTalk account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can log into KakaoTalk account. So without any delay, let's jump right into the video. For that, if you don't have the application yet, you can just go ahead and download it from your available app store and open it up after it is installed. Once opened, you'll be finding this home page on the screen. So in order to log in here, you just need to enter up your email or your phone number and your password. You can do the same in order to sign up as well. So since we are logging in, you can type in your email or your phone number that you use in order to create an account. And on the second option, enter your password. After that, if you have any two-factor authentication on, you may need to enter up 6-digit code. After it is entered, you'll be directly logged in into the KakaoTalk and you'll be able to access all of the features available from the application itself. So that is how you log in into KakaoTalk account. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.